Hello everyone, I am Dr. Adarsh Singh. By now, from my previous two videos, I have told you about calories and how you can modulate them to lose weight or to gain weight. And I have told you about the nutritive values of certain foods so that you can calculate how much calories you are eating in a day and hence adjust accordingly. If you haven't checked those previous videos, I'll leave the links up here. Today in this video, we will be talking about the source of those calories, that is, the macronutrients. To put it simply, macronutrients means carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Let me give you a simple calculation. 1 gram carbohydrate generates 4 calories, 1 gram protein generates 4 calories, but 1 gram fat generates 9 calories. This only tells you that anything with more fat will have high calories. But now, you will have some questions in your mind, like, so what, you should not eat fat? Even high amount of carbohydrates is not good for health. What about that? You see, to maintain a healthy lifestyle, the proportion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins needs to be maintained. Your food should be divided as per the contribution of the macros to the calories. That is, 50 to 60% of the calories should come from carbohydrates, 25 to 30% of the calories should come from fat and 15 to 20% of calories should come from proteins. Now if you put the numbers together, let's say you are eating around 2000 calories per day, out of which around 55% of calories should come from carbs, that is 1100 calories, which makes 275 grams per day. 25% of calories should come from fats, that is 500 calories, which makes around 55 grams per day, and 20% of calories from proteins, that is 400 calories, which makes 100 grams per day. Now I'm sure that after listening all these calculations, around 80% of you are going to turn off this video and say that this is not possible, I give up and I cannot do all those calculations or weigh all the food that I eat. But hold on a minute, I know it is difficult and that is why I am here to help you understand the whole thing in the simplest way possible. What is required is that you should have a gross idea about the calories and macros of certain foods that you consume on a daily basis. Now you should target two things in your diet. Number one, the amount of calories you eat, and number two, the protein content. The carbs and the fats will fall in place itself. Let me give you an example. Let's say you require around 1600 calories per day and you take 4 meals a day, that is breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. You can divide your calories as either 400 calories per meal, or a better way is 450 calories for breakfast, lunch and dinner and 250 calories for evening snacks. Now whatever we eat, the main bulk of the food is formed by carbs like roti, rice, bread, oats, all are sources of carbs. And whatever side dish we add are almost always prepared in oil. So our fat content is also covered. What we miss mostly in our food is the protein. So you need to add a protein source in your food every time, like egg or milk for breakfast or snacks, dal, chicken, soya bean for your lunch or dinner. Now non-veg items are the best source of protein, but if you are a vegetarian, you can have dal, soya bean, paneer, curd as your protein source. But mind you, dairy products are also rich in fat, so try to use skimmed milk or calculate and consume if you are using full cream milk. In this way, you can arrange your diet so that you can get the best out of it for your body. I hope I was able to make you understand by making it as simple as it can be. For more useful tips, you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, the links of which I'll leave in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you have any queries, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you.